Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix Venmo frozen account so you can regain access and use your balance again. First, open the Venmo app and check for any notifications or emails explaining why your account was frozen. Next, verify your identity by submitting the required documents like ID or personal details inside the app. After that, resolve any pending issues, such as negative balance or suspicious transactions, if shown. You should also make sure your linked bank or card information is correct and active. Another important step is to contact Venmo support directly through the app or website for faster assistance. Also, avoid using VPNs or unusual login locations, as they can trigger security flags. Finally, wait for confirmation from support, and your account should be restored once everything is verified. Subscribe the channel for more videos.